Hi friends, paragraph on daily life. I live a routine bound daily life. I get up at 5 a.m. I wash, brush, and clean myself. I take some exercises. Then I breakfast. At 6 a.m., I go to study. At about 8 o'clock, I take bath and dress. Mother serves food. I get ready for school. Our school starts at 9 a.m. I attend all the periods. I return at 3 p.m., take some refreshments, and go out to play with my playmates. In the evening, I do my homework. At 9:30 p.m., I enjoy my supper with my parents. Then we have a nice chat. At 10 p.m., I go to sleep and get up in the morning to repeat the same routine. Only on Sunday do I have a sweet escape from the daily routine. Thank you.